Quisp, a beloved sugary cereal that debuted in 1965, navigated a fascinating path from being a grocery staple to a sporadic offering. Its resurgence in 2012 highlighted the significant role that advertising played in maintaining its popularity. Similarly, King Vitamin, launched in 1968, gained attention through its nutritional claims and whimsical commercials featuring knights engaged in playful storytelling. Despite its initial success, it was discontinued in 2019. Transitioning to another unique offering, Fruit Brute showcased a fruity flavor alongside a werewolf mascot. However, it fell short of achieving lasting success and was ultimately discontinued in 1982, even despite a relaunch attempt. Meanwhile, Freaky cereal, introduced in 1972 and discontinued just 4 years later, remains fondly remembered by cereal enthusiasts for its distinct flavors and imaginative marketing strategies. Special editions like Cocoa Freakies only enhanced its appeal. In the realm of chocolate flavors, S'mores Crunch captured hearts and taste buds alike with its delightful mix of chocolate and marshmallows. Though it was discontinued in 1988, nostalgic fans still yearn for its potential return after brief reintroductions in the 1990s. Kaboom cereal, characterized by its fun shapes and circus theme, evoked joyful breakfast memories for many before its discontinuation in 2010. Its vibrant design contributed to the overall enjoyment of morning routines. Another notable cereal, the original Yummy Mummy, offered a fruit flavor complemented by vanilla marshmallows. Unfortunately, it was discontinued in 1992 after only 5 years, yet its distinctive taste left an indelible mark on its fans. Fortified oat flakes emerged as a highlight within the cereal market, celebrated for their array of essential vitamins and minerals. This nutritious option appealed to health-conscious consumers who sought to combine taste with health benefits. Crispy wheats and raisins, introduced in 1979, aimed to avoid the sogginess of traditional Raisin Bran and successfully built a loyal following before its eventual discontinuation. Its unique balance of crunch and flavor created lasting memories for many. In the 1970s, powdered donut cereal took breakfast to a new level, offering a sweet and crunchy experience that made every morning brighter. Its comforting taste and delightful texture added to its appeal. Dinosaur cereals, with their whimsical shapes and fortified vitamins, captivated both children and adults alike during the 1970s. Their unique designs transformed breakfast into a fun and engaging experience. In 1973, Pink Panther Flakes entered the scene, providing a visually stimulating breakfast option with their striking bubblegum pink hue. Even after production ceased in 1980, this playful cereal left an unforgettable impression. Additionally, Crazy Cow's cereal featured round pieces coated in chocolate or strawberry, despite lacking real chocolate or strawberries. This innovative approach aimed to attract children during its fleeting popularity in the 1970s. Sugar Rice Crinkles became a household name due to its simple yet delightful taste. The cereal's catchy marketing and vibrant packaging resonated with families seeking quick and satisfying breakfast options. Magic Puff cereal distinguished itself with an enchanting theme, including magic tricks in each box. Though its market presence was short-lived, the fun concept made it a favorite among children. Body Buddies cereal, popular in the 1970s, featured a unique blend of flavors like brown sugar and honey, appealing to both children and adults. Its natural ingredients positioned it as a wholesome breakfast choice. Packed with 16 essential vitamins and minerals, Body Buddies stood out against its competitors thanks to its nutritional value. This emphasis on health made it a favored breakfast option across many generations. Despite its popularity, Body Buddies faced discontinuation in the early 1980s, marking an end of an era for many families. Nonetheless, its legacy continues to shape breakfast choices to this day.